Hi friends, my name is Manisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share a very interesting topic, that is how to be a star. Well, everyone wants to be a star in life. And the very important thing, if you want to be a star, that means if you want to be a successful person, if you want to achieve something that you desire, that is your dream career, then you should not bother about other things in life. Well, given a choice between pursuing your dream career and living a life of gritstone existence, well, I'm sure many people will choose a life of gritstone existence, that is a life that you are leading without involving any kind of change, and that isn't your dream career as well, but you prefer to continue with the same, because people generally prefer the things with which they are familiar from so long, simply because they feel like finding a new job will now involve time and energy. Yes, of course it will involve these things, but it will yield good results too. This fact we generally ignore. We just pay attention that this will attract much of the time, this will involve huge energy, time, effort, and so we leave it like that. But one should be adaptable for changes, because change is sometimes very necessary in life. If you want to achieve something of your choice, then you must be adaptable to changes that comes to you while you are pursuing your dream career. Well, people generally think that pursuing your dream career involves a risk factor. Well, risk is something which, if you don't take, sometimes proves to be very risky. So it's better to take risk rather than just leaving it all aside and just continuing with whatever things you are at present working. So in my point of view, see, अगर आपके माइंड में कुछ ड्रीम करियर है जो आप परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, बट एट प्रेजेंट यू आर वर्किंग समवेयर, you are habitual of working in that lousy condition, or maybe an abusive boss, and maybe continuing with those dead end jobs. So you know what, you are sometimes not ready to accept those changes. But if you make up your mind that you want to pursue your dream career, then do whatever you want. सी, आप अपने मन की सुनो, दूसरों के हिसाब से चलेंगे तो आप दूसरों को कभी सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर सकते. सो वट एवर योर माइंड सेज, जस्ट गो ऑन बाय दोज थिंग्स. Risk is everywhere. Even if you are continuing with your present job, it might also be involving certain degree of risk. So why not to take risk for having something of your choice? आपके मन में जो है वो कीजिए, जो भी रिस्क होगा हम उसको देखेंगे. लेकिन अगर हम उसको इस तरह से छोड़ दें कि उसमें टाइम लगेगा, एनर्जी लगेगा, अरे कुछ भी चेंज करोगे अपनी लाइफ में उसमें आपका टाइम इन्वेस्ट रहेगा, लेकिन उसके जो गुड रिजल्ट्स हैं उस पर ध्यान देना इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट रादर देन कीपिंग इट असाइड. आपकी नज़र में ऐसे बहुत से लोग होंगे, दोज हु आर वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड, okay, and they are having a very good fame and fortune at present, okay, but you know, sometimes they people end a day with regret for not pursuing your dream career, simply putting the things that not pursuing your dream career at present, you are for sure setting yourself up for a much greater degree of disappointments and regrets later in life, which even you won't be able to reverse the situation, because things will be too late for you at that point of time. So if you are having something of your choice in your mind that you want to pursue, then don't wait for a better time, because waiting for a better time itself ensures that a better time will never come. So it is just now. जो मन में अभी है वो अभी करो, अभी के बाद कोई भी टाइम परफेक्ट नहीं होगा. जस्ट थिंक दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम, आई हैव टू डू दिस थिंग in this particular moment only, because after that things will be late and I will be setting myself up for a regret in life which I do not want to. So just make yourself clear that you don't want to set yourself up for a life full of regrets later on. So basically, star does not means to be a hero or to be an actor, actress, something like that. No, star in your own eyes means having achieved something of your choice, pursuing a career that you always aspired to be. Now, you probably have dreams, those you want to pursue. You probably have those skills and talents which you want to use in your career, but you have suppressed all those things just because you have made yourself comfortable in the present job and you are not ready to take that risk factor for a job shift or maybe for some other reason. But one thing is very clear, until and unless you won't make yourself aware that change involving a risk factor sometimes yield unexpected good results, till that time you will not be able to make a start towards your dream career. Dreams do come true, but for those who are self confident and who have confidence in their abilities, that even if they change their job, they are able to turn those threats into opportunities. So the only thing is that you need to be confident about what you are thinking. So it is never too late for a career change if you want to pursue your dream career. So you must set yourself in that position, and you must set all the forces in motion to get you to that point. It is not too late. The right time was 20 years ago and even now. But if you keep putting your dream career aside, if you keep it putting off and keep postponing that pursuing your dream career, then you are just losing all the things, and time will steal all the opportunities from you. All the skills you will be losing out, because time flies like anything, and time will become your biggest enemy. So the only important thing is start pursuing your dream career, because it is not what you have become, it is something which you haven't become will hurt you the most in the end. So don't let yourself for those regrets later in life. Don't let yourself for those disappointments which many people do have, though they have achieved so many of fortunes and fames and publicity. But what is the biggest regret in life is that not having pursued what they wanted to be, what they aspired to be, what they dream of ever in their life. So these are few things which I wanted to share with you. If you have a dream career of yours, if you want to be a hero, if you want to be a star, if you want to be a successful person in life, so start following your dream career. It's never too late, it's now. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button and do share my video. Bye.